Hello everyone, my name is Brian Peter Shogun, also known as GPS. So I want to explain something very important about linear equation. So as I've defined earlier, I said equation is a statement that shows equality between two statements. So there is a type of equation, we call it the linear equation. Now, what is a linear equation? Linear equation is a type of equation in which the highest power of the unknown is 1. But today, I want to show you something very important about linear equation. I want to show you the 4 ways at which we can have a linear equation. So we're going to take it one after the other. In any question you are going to solve under linear equation, you are going to be having it in these 4 manners. Either will be 4 manners. And if you can understand the method of solving this form of linear equation, you can solve anything called linear. Don't forget, linear equation is a type of equation in which the highest power of the unknown, which is the letter, is 1. So we're going to take it one after the other. The first one is ax plus b equals to c. This is the first form at which you can make a linear equation. So giving it an example is 2x plus 1 equals to 3. For those people who are very close with solving a linear equation, you find out that most of the time when you're taught a linear equation, this is the first kind of question you will be given to solve. So the second one, we have ax plus d equals to ex plus f. Now look at something very close to this. We add ax here and we have ex here. Are you there with me? But in this first one, you can see that the unknown that we are looking for is actually at one part, which is ax. So what do we do? So you can see ax plus d equals to ex. That is, at the left hand side and at the right hand side, we have what is called by x. So the bringing together of the x will give us the solution for the value of x we are looking for. So an example to that is 3x plus 7 equals to 2x minus 1. The next one, which is the third one, says a open a bracket of dx plus e close the bracket equals to b open a bracket of cx plus n. What do you observe about this one? You will see that this is actually in a bracket. So that means being in a bracket actually shows that this is another form of a linear equation. So that means to solve this kind of linear equation, we have to first what? Open the bracket before we can go down to dissect the question. Then we have this to be an example for that. 2 in bracket of x plus 3 close the bracket equals to 4 in bracket of x minus 2 close the bracket. So this is the one that you can have on this. Now the last one but not the least, which is number 4, it is when a linear equation carries the form of a quotient. So we have 4 equals to a over x plus b over d equals to 1 over c. This is the last platform at which you can ever meet a linear question. So an example to that is 3 over x plus 7 over 3 equals to 2 over 3 x. So I used to say something that is very important. I used to say that mathematics is all about using what you've learned to help what you are learning. So if you don't have a certain foundation about mathematics, you might actually find it very difficult. Now look at that number 4. You can see that that number 4 is a fraction. Now looking at it vividly, you will know that if you don't have the basic knowledge of what a fraction is, you might actually find it difficult to solve that linear question. Thank you so much. God bless you. Meet you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Meet you in the next video.